This is a quick graph on how to make a histogram with data. So if I click within this data cell anywhere, I can do insert and come over here and choose this pull down area here and then choose histogram. And I have a histogram made, and it may or may not be using the values that you want. If it's not using the values that you want, this one is, but what you can do is just click the column that you want and then insert histogram. So I'll do it again. And there's your histogram back. Now the thing is with the histogram is that you want to adjust your bin size or the number of bins that you have that your data is going in. To do that, you right mouse click on the x-axis and then format the axis, and you get these choices over here. So if I say bin width right here, I could say, oh, make the bins larger or smaller. Let's say I want to make them 30. That's going to cause there to be less bins, less bars is what that's talking about. Or you can say, well, then just give me the plain old number of bins. Let's say you only want 10 of these bars. So you say 10 and hit enter, and it updates it. Now, if you don't want all these decimal points, you can click down here on number and change the category to number, and then you can decrease the number of decimal points right here. Let's just make that 0 and hit enter, and it kind of cleans it up, and you can widen it out if you like, and there's your histogram made really nice here. So here's how many scores. This table here has 9,334 rows, and 2,500 of these values are between 33 and 107. Right here, 2,521 are between 107 and 181, and so on. This data here is called skewed right because the tail of the data is heading to the right. What that does is it makes the mean for this table skewed to the right side of it. Well, actually, the mean will be to the left side and the median will be to the right. I'll show you that. Let me go ahead and get the average here. So I'll do equals average, and by average we're talking about the mean. So average of this column is 193. Compare that to the median, equals median of this column is 164. So the mean is pulled to the right compared to the median. So the mean is 193, which is in this bar area right here, actually close to the bottom of that bar is where the mean is, but the median is farther to the left. See, the median is the 50th percentile, and that's down here at about 164. And the reason why the mean is larger than the median is because of these values right here pulling up your average. And that's what's going on here. This is definitely not a normal distribution. This is skewed right. And I'll stop this right here at this point.